the most successful type of aging in 2030 is inclusive, it's comprehensive, and it's successful living. My name is Stephen Johnston. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Aging2.0. Aging is everything and nothing in a way. It's not healthcare, it's not senior housing, it's not transport, it's not financial services, but it's all of those things. And so to me, this idea of successful aging is successful living. I think it's a really interesting conversation to include cities and communities into the role of innovation in aging, because in the past I think it's been the assumption that innovation is done by the shiny technology startup coming out of Silicon Valley, for example. And I think that a much more impactful outcome will be when we can activate our cities and communities to become innovative ecosystems themselves. For example, Centennial, Colorado is the first city that we've had who's become a corporate member of our organization, and what they've been doing is some really interesting testing where they've been collaborating with Lyft, for example, and making it much easier to pick people up, especially for those people in rural areas that don't have access to public transport. That kind of model really works well, where you have the power, you have the scope, you have the procurement budget to apply to solving problems at scale. Because aging is not about individual sectors, individual people, individual companies. It's about how do we as a community adjust and how does society adapt to a massively changing demographic. And this is not necessarily a bad thing, it's just the reality. And I think we need to move up the conversation from the individual through the level of the community and tackle problems at scale. And so what we need is innovative mayors and innovative local politicians who take this problem on board and become really activated in driving successful aging.